Hi guys, Arya here. This is part 2 of the making of my Paya wig. If you haven't seen the first part yet, please go check it out. Now let's get right into the video. Now that the bun is ready, it's time to make the base that will anchor the bun to the wig. First, I am cutting a circular piece out of soft foam. It ended up being too big, so I am going to trim it down to the right size. With an X-Acto knife, I make 2 holes in the soft foam. And I will make sure the holes align with the 2 openings of the bun itself. Now I am going to use the same red bias tape that I used for the bun to cover up the edges of the soft foam. Now I am gluing the foam to the bun and still making sure that the alignment of the holes are in the right place. I am making small paper patterns for the chica eye and buckle decorations that will go on the ribbon. I am cutting all of these little details out of black worbla. I love the fact that worbla already sticks to itself and I do not have to use any glue for it. I cut a little circular piece that will be the pupil of the chica eye. Apparently, I did not film myself cutting the buckle, but here it is. While the worbla is still a little bit warm, I am sculpting the shape of the buckle to be a bit more defined. And I am covering the weird space between the bun and the soft foam with more soft foam, and that's where the chica eye will be placed. It's painting time, so I am going to use masking tape to avoid painting anything that is not the buckle or the chica eye. But first, I am using wood glue to prime the worbla. Isn't peeling masking tape ASMR satisfying? I am now doing some weathering with black acrylic paint. And I am covering them with glossy varnish. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, now is the time for some nails. I am cutting a circular shape out of regular worbla. I find it to be a little bit stronger than the black one, which makes it perfect for a wig base. I am heating it up and lightly pressing it to the nails so I can get the placement right. The circle shape ended up being too big, so I'm gonna trim it to make it a little smaller. Always save the worbla little pieces, you will need them later. See, I told you you'll need them. Carefully, I start adding the warm worbla around one of the nails. After I have enough worbla around the nail, I will warm it up again and attach it to the worbla piece I cut earlier. And of course, I repeated all of the same steps with the other nail. And here's your worbla bun base. Now I am warming the whole thing up and shaping it to my head. With an X-Acto knife, very carefully I am cutting 2 holes in the mesh of the base wig, trying my best to align it with the nails of the worbla bun base. Scissors are also very helpful with this. There we go, that's perfect. Here I am using a little bit of glue, but I realized later that this wasn't super necessary, since the 2 holes I cut on the mesh of the base wig were enough to keep the worbla base in place. Now I gotta cut the 2 chopsticks that Paya has on her bun. And this is where I will get really reckless because I am going to use a hacksaw. I look back at how I did this and kids, please don't try this at home or let your parents do it for you, please. Absolutely nothing happened to my fingers, I promise. Alright, after also cutting the second chopstick, I am sanding the ends a little bit to get rid of any splinters. I am cutting this piece of white fabric and I am painting it with both red and gold so I can recreate the 2 lines at the very end of the chopsticks. And they're done! Yay! I am carefully cutting a little hole on the tool so I can stick both chopsticks to the bun. Now about the base wig. I bought this wig that already came with this curly and fluffy texture. I have seen other cosplayers that have recreated the back of Paya's wig beautifully. I do not have the skills to do that, so here I am, simplifying things by just cutting the ends on a V shape. Look at this awesome and legit Paya wig I found on Instagram. Isn't it beautiful? Please go give it a like, seriously. I am also carefully trimming the fringe. In the past, I actually tried to add the little red ribbons on the sideburns by twisting the hair on 2 loops, but that ended up being extremely messy, so once again I decided to simplify things. Side note, bias tape is amazing. When given the opportunity, please use it. We're almost done, I promise. Just a little more fringe trimming. Time to assemble the wig. So this is it, the final video of the making of my Paya cosplay series. I have a whole playlist linked down in the description box. Please go check it out. I wore this cosplay for the first time back in 2019. I am glad I can look at this cosplay now and correct some mistakes that I did in the past. What do you guys think about my wig? Please leave your comments down below. I am overall very happy with it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more cosplay content, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting lots of cosplay making videos. And don't forget to also leave a like. See you next time. Bye!